Ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen,
boys and girls,
boys and girls, welcome to the greatest podcast on the planet.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hiyo lana eti pu 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 pu.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just hit home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can come any day. You can come and we play. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting.
Where's teacher le?
Lapha.
Ukuzukuru zasuku umusu siyale. Zokufana ndo.
Khona ke phakanyisa ibhana kuthi number 9.
Hayi.
Hey, sakhizo.
Hey. Kanti mina umbuzo wami ukuthi kanti thina vele we supposed to participate or we supposed to get out of the way. No, I thought we were supposed to get out of the way so they get things done.
Yeah, we're actually supposed to like chill and let them do the thing.
So we did our part.
I feel like this guy relied on. He actually needed us more than we needed him.
Ngoba yini sasingayenza ngoba yini sasingayenza sisiya ngapi
We literally stayed at home, bro.
Man, I thought that was our part of the deal.
Yeah.
Maybe I'm
And I didn't meet his part of the deal, really. Because
mina kwazi vele ngangizitshelani machens ukuthi stay at home lana ngokuthi machens esithila ke bekhali anti air yazi anti air sivakadora anti air yazi anti air kuyi noma anti air means it's anti air miss anti air missiles lawo lokushuta ama helicopter
anti-air. Bakatura anti-air.
na vele ngithi anti air bikhali esithila yabo so uthwala nahlala endlini asifuna
Asifuna collateral damage.
asifuna ukuchitheka igazi la kanti kumbe yithi okumele sihambe siyechaya anti air mina ngasinelawo yini machens
Asilawo thina. Lapha remember lana i strategic ambiguity yakhe lena embamba.
but upostile enye video vele nithi
Lokuyana manje wasekwenza lokuyana sokuyi-checkmate. Uyabona lokuyana nxa iking yakho sisekhona usilokuphambi kuyihambisa one step uyibisela lapha ebe.
usulokho akebe lokho into uTom udlala idraft yabe selebhobho eselifikisa amakhoneni lana ethu selokho elithi wona usulokho ubukuthethe
Wena zokutsheta kule time lapho zasufike khona bakuswela.
likunanki ibhobho alokho lapha kuyisithili yazi ngisengizaba ne PTSD yedraft
And level kuhleka njani ziyaza ubamba level zulokho lizisa kuphela.
so mina I don't know chance
So laphana ndoda I think abantu bezwa for the first time ukuthi kunjani ukuthi bethi geza
yeah
siyahamba ku date qeda bengabuyi.
but ngale ngani H town ngani kwaba le kuyi something
Surprisingly, I was in H-Town and there was nothing, bro.
you were there
Yeah.
I don't know oh
I had gone to liberate the country. I'm playing.
bana wagadele zombangazo lo mina badazi ngangayigadi ibhasi ngigadele zombangazo live i-election I not like ukuthi i-election ka 2018 ngase age ngangena ebhasini ebusuku ndoda ngagada ukuthi ngizolayina ngivote la that was my first time voting and I really took
Gadela
it serious.
umbangazo.
Yeah, I took it seriously.
Qeda lapho kwangaphumi next.
Singazi
Yeah,
hayi wena ungathi uqeda baphumi ukwazi njani ngavotela
Oh, yeah, actually. Wantona wambamba.
utholi ngenga ngulandile mina kwaphuma
Wambamba.
so kuthiwe wena hayi ukuthi thina ngiyathi sesikhuluma indaba zakhe but upostile enye video futhi uBuddha's J uthe well done that was exactly what we wanted ngani kuthiwa kuzaba lo part 2 asazi
Yeah, we'll see.
I mean I also think this past week for me was a small lesson in ukuthi abantu ngani sebakhalala
Yeah. That's what I was saying. Although it may sound a bit off, but I was saying usually they're leaders, especially of the different opinion like government of the day, who have been criticized a lot to say these guys are not doing enough. But here is a guy who came through and told you, hey, let's do this. And So it's not even a leadership thing at this point.
Kodwa la
So
sekuyini.
even lo mfundisi lwana lihlala limqale efaka amavesi, I feel like even if ngawo aba radical wasesambeni ku street, you niggas are still gonna shit your pants at all.
Yeah, it's true. Because into le always makes me think. Because from what I've experienced, let's say in the last 10 years, I feel like maybe even spirit of, let's say, spirit of revolution, still a lifespan.
Yeah,
Crushed enough times, yeah, pale.
definitely.
Which
yeah.
I feel like maybe is what's happening. Okay, fine. Then it makes me wonder, Uti, how did actually we manage to liberate ourselves from white people? Because
It took a long time, bro.
But that was like a 100 plus years.
First Chimurenga, yeah, it should have been 100 years before independence.
But I didn't the point, yeah. Uti, how many times did those niggas get crushed? How many generations? Pela, omunye waqalisa uyi-age to so ululuze kufa.
Yeah,
Abanye
definitely.
belandele befike bethi sakuthola kunje. But at some point kwafika enye generation yathini. Kula.
Sesiqedisa karesi.
That's crazy because mina, you know, hey, when I feel it kind of despair or hopelessness, I sense from my age mate. I hear a lot of people talking about things will never change. It's fine. So it makes me wonder. Because they've been crushed for. Tina, we've only maybe been crushed for what, 15 years.
But Labana, I feel like they had in as much as I'm going to discredit, but in as much as they did what they did, Google inspiration in because like go colonize Africa yonke. So let's say if you give up, please try to Ghana says independence. Then you're like, then you go back, they beat your asses. Let's say this says,
But I wanna
plus the pressure food. There was a time where colonialism became like out of fashion, and there was this Zimba sanctioned. So yeah. So they had
after
a lot
like
of
a
factors.
World War II, UK singani ayisela power.
Exactly.
Ngoba
Yeah.
ama-country i-World War II what destroy ama-countries amaningi awe-Europe and asale ngasela power. So even loku i-strong grip liyana like to hayi singasekho. So yekho wase beqala labo ukusupporta ngapha.
Exactly. Yeah.
Iqembu.
So I feel like the environment was conducive then.
Maybe.
Because it's tricky because you see things happen here, even labo Sadik babuya and then they say it's okay.
I think
Those guys have came here as a monitor a couple of times. Even in instances where people died and they were like
mina mbona ngale maybe difference makers ngaba social media because maybe back then selabe ngaba le crash system but maybe okwe psychological everyday lokho yakungekho awuphonguza
definitely yeah
majenzi mhla ka 31 ziyakhala subambe konke but in today's maybe age you hear that and then you go online there's some people
20 members chama think peace vele kulabanye babasita kusebenze before like me I was already saying
discourage because now I'll tell you ukuthi lokho esikiko is a much smaller mountain than where and mina ngathi ngakhulumela iZimbabwe kuphela ade ngikhulumela iAfrica yonke how Africa managed to liberate itself from over it's nearly 300 or 400 years of imperialism is very impressive now that you think about it.
Yes,
if people
and
can't get under just 20 years.
And considering the like the gap between the resources and shit. Those niggas were fighting about to hit everything and when they literally nothing. But they did what they did.
It was just like a do or die story.
Yeah. They really did what they did. Now mafoto yachicha lapho uphuzile upodcast. Simenzeni khulumani kuma comments ayifuna ukuvotela futhi lokuba ngupresident.
Kanti bathi bahamba njani ngokuvotela umavoti?
Thina ukuthi siyakhuluma izinto sikhohlwe lathi. Problem. Siyakhuluma izinto sikhohlwe.
Yezo omunye zekhumbuza ukuthi kanti Ralph esithi Ralph.
Ipo I see meng editala laphana umuntu editala zawungalalela so
very rest of the company yele because thina sesilama bright ideas la. But I don't think abakwazi ukuthi le inkampani enkulu. Thina masuka la siyaqoqeza ethu
sendlini. Then kulabanye you take over.
O producer labo editor sebefungufaka kunjalo.
Exactly, yeah. So that's
what
happened.
Bona into eyikhuluma futhi last week othe kuzamela ku-edit kunyaza ukuthi edit.
Ngayi-edit. Liyana ngayi-edita liyana.
Wathi lokho mana
Liyana ngazenzela liyana ngoba angangikwazi ukuthi i-system will let me down. 40 kare indlela ingaba phela.
Karonsenza ufubaleka.
Yeah, I'm saying because ngahlala lapha I'll take the other mic then the audience won't have a mic.
Oh shit.
So I just have to vie. What are you carrying there? Is that your ID? You need money. Oh. What's happening? So when is he going to give you the change? I don't know. He has to come collect his stuff. Blood. My 14 dress. Yeah? Oh, okay.
Okay, that sounds...
So you're trying to wait for him as a pen to get then you can... That's what I'm saying. You're going to wait for him to come back.
You can change.
Okay. All right, that's fine. That's okay.
So abehlezi khona ngapha. Ngoba uyabusukasukumisa la. Awuhlezi khona ngapha. Awudu vele uhlala khona futhi usinike input yakho ngo Thamba lo. Oh, abuye.
Isitulo lesi siyanishoka lesi.
Ushaya igetsi?
Sorry, I'm late. Hey, it's a hectic night, guys. I met your young brother.
Fuck you. You met my young brother?
Yeah.
This one here?
Not this one.
Another one?
The one we had last time is really fashion.
Who also looks like this one?
Who also looks like
was
this
he
one.
driving? Or was
he
he
wasn't
walking?
driving. We were carrying a better cricket.
Oh, yeah, that's him. That's Anguyelandela lo.
Thamba.
Itumene.
Yeah. Like so serious. I'm going there now. Like, oh, please don't have me. And that's the driver who takes it on.
Oh. Yeah. There's such a stock take up of what happened in the past week.
A lot, bro. A lot. So what were you talking about just now?
As least I saw some stairway ovulation. I
was in town.
What was in that?
I was doing what everyone else would be doing that day. I was working.
Oh, can you imagine? I don't know what I'm enemies of progress.
No, I was not an enemy of progress. I mean, I was there typing my script.
As go yeah, that doesn't my script to type out as a silently. Si support is umbangas.
Bro,
I mean, as I'm poaching having it there, I stayed away from everything. That's what I was trying to do.
You screwed your shit tight.
I'm fine. I kept it on lock, dog. I wanted to make sure with the.
Sorry, comes. Kule driver Honda fit to so chance. Go. Ile white pants so. Right. No, but for me.
Yeah, like ungambi ilizwe liliparetho nothi ngankaka.
When I got in town around 2 because I was shopping in town. So very near, but I managed to get into town, and the town was aimed on Lama. So when you hear someone say it was a flop, you'll be like, what do you mean it was a flop? Because no one was there. Business stood still. Kanda was on shutdown.
What was if the objective was us staying away?
Why call it a flop when the objective was to stay away and people stayed away? Businesses are the ones that actually went on strike because they told their people not to come to work.
Yeah.
Businesses told people not to come to work.
But was it a
business?
No, it was a businesses were fearing for.
That's what I'm saying. Their intent wasn't to strike, but was to protect their things and their people.
But some businesses were open.
Yeah,
that was open. But yeah. That was was it for me on the stairway. Anticlimax. We knew Bulawayo was never going to do anything anyway.
Anticlimax. Orgasm.
Problem.
But so, and every time there's been a stairway in Bulawayo, I've been there at the back, following the masses. Because I don't want to be told by a newspaper man. I don't want to be told by news manga. I'm always there, watching what's happening. And most of the time, the violence started by the police, not by the people who are protesting. Most of the time. Dude, I can actually tell you, 2019, is it 2019 or 2020, the first year of 2020, when after the president had announced fuel prices, that first one. I when I was walking about always Zimtiv Rapa, track my police at Uraya to tear gas from Norway. Papa tear gas from Norway, bruh. Those people were saying, I hyper.
I don't know, I want to protest.
No, but people were saying, go hyper. Tina says, I'm being upon a Zimtiv. Bad figure. Uraya. What does Uraya mean? Kill. What are they trying to kill? Tina says, I'm being on the street, we're walking. People are saying, go hyper to take us. Uraya Queen Kono.
Karema 50 lana bayathola lapha maybe sesiya politics kakhulu but kuthiwa amapota athola ama 50 before
Yeah,
ama-project.
athola allowance of $50.
Ukukhahlela abantu.
Imali engayenza. In fact, I don't even know. 50 if consider how much I charge for my comedy shows for how many minutes does it take for
No,
me to raise $50?
but mina ngangikhangela ngenye indlela ukuthi maybe
They were bribed.
no ukuthi yabona like if usebenza
Yeah.
ngaba lama hours lana overtime
Iyona
and
la.
then maybe like you get compensated for the hours away overtime.
That was not every time, but they were being bribed not to do anything.
So maybe for that
They are used to bribes anyway.
particular case, they were
Won't be the
paid
first time they were bribed.
overtime because that particular day they were going to do more work than like if you are also
So they-
all
so
other
overtime,
days.
Njengoba
like
ngasayenzanga ke.
Yeah?
Bayenza, they were on standby.
Yeah, because
Anje
maybe,
was-charge ukuba on standby.
yeah, maybe let's say if we shift to Melungene from like 8, which is on 5. Bona washo wathi hayi so kumele kube yi-24 hour maybe.
Vele kumele libe alert.
But now in order to do that kuyasomele phela ngali HR like balances.
Yazi umhlaba sowavalwa kaningi emergency. Into lezi ngikhumbuza xa ngibone ama ghost pictures lana ukuthi ke kuchama zingikhumbuza i-lockdown. I-lockdown I think we had to really fucking come to terms with what an awkward time that was.
Do you think izabuye yini lockdown?
Singazi inceba siphekele esi2.
The first lockdown was good for me.
But yeah, it's not like it was the first time, bro. Yayigcine ngoba no 1913 no 1912.
Yeah, but akula muntu ophila phela bekhumula ngoba.
Ukhona
Bakhona.
nje.
Ubani?
Akhona wona ngale makhiweni kuna ngale.
Ngiyabhara kusela umuntu wathi 100 ngo2012. Akuyenza. Kusela bo 120 karesi.
Vele ngela level cognitive skills okubona ukuthi.
But hey,
So mna yazi Jake, every time the world grinds to a halt it's always funny for me because you're like damn bro.
mina
Like lapho siphonga uphila kuvumelana kuvele kwazi.
Yeah.
Lokuthi hey namhlanje manje hey umuntu kumele ngivumelana.
mean,
Siphila
ukuvumelana,
kuvumelana
yeah.
otherwise.
yeah. But
And lokuvumelana kokhona kulabanye balembone engani ile sisindo kule abanye.
Hey, how crazy is that ukuthi abantu bengavumelana bazihlalela ngiwo?
Yeah.
Like what's stopping actually people from
Tanzania
kuvumelana
never went on
ngiwo?
lockdown.
The whole COVID.
Tanzania never went on lockdown. The whole COVID.
Is that factual, dog?
like why are you COVID? That Gauta man, Moga food until they died. Yeah. Why are they not COVID?
Oh.
The reviews they didn't even wear masks.
I think so, yeah.
Tanzania never did
Really?
all that shit.
Well, outside of whether, I'm not arguing illegitimacy of what COVID was. I'm just saying that was a crazy time because sonke savumelana for months on end.
The earth breathed,
Savali
yakathola-
savali
The earth la yakaphumula.
entertainment, abantu bazihlalela endlini.
Yeah, they got pumula what. And I needed the rest myself. I didn't know I needed that rest until the lockdown.
Regional score more than 40.
No, I needed the rest, bro. I'd
enough.
worked so hard 2018, 2019. I needed to rest.
Because this Khalesiana also made me think, do you guys know istory lezi abantu labo kuthiwa oyabe kuthiwa uMafoto uhambe wahlala eGoli wachata wenzani and then susuka ngathi ingcewu uvalelisile eGoli usithi uyaphenduke ekhaya la sucha 3-4 months ungabuyanga umfazi segadi ibhasi sekulandela sefika lapho bethi ubani uMafoto wafa ngo98 Pekuhambe ukujingisa nandi ingcewu
Fuck.
lezi
Serious?
istories nje
Ndoda
No.
lesi tricky kakhulu.
yazi istory lezi
Uyabe buye wazokufa ngakumbe umuntu vele wafa kudala.
dog uyabusukela kane sikunje so
Mhm.
nangu u40 silala u40 esuke ehlala eGoli 15 years maybe 10 years eGoli eqine sishadile silabantwana abayi2 okunye kule 3 years okunye kule 8 months ebese suka ngale eGoli sethi ngisafa kathela umama ekhaya ecross ibhodi ebuyela edla nkonko
Mhm.
ifoni icishe lana nomfazi ngale linde salinde uMafoto inyanga
Ebeselanda.
ekhumbuza uMafoto wathi uhlala endaweni enje gade labantwana ebuye ezodinga uMafoto ezoqoqoda fethu udumi udumi etonje uthethe onje samngcwaba lona ngo2002 hambe bekutshengisa ithuna lakhe libhaliwe sibili
Meaning uyabe like into enzama ukuyihlanganisa la ukuthi
Why do
K-Breeze
is poor?
ukuthi K-Breeze wena ufe ngo2010 and yikho lapho ufika khona eGoli establish then
Clearly.
usuphenduka lapha ngo2020
Clearly.
uhlale 2 months bekulandile so bese sitshela ke umuntu okulandela ukuthi how K-Breeze wafa 10 years ago. That's what you're saying.
That's what he's saying.
vele vele
That's what he's saying.
lokuthi mina ngifele semiyele iminyaka engifika khona kuvele kabe kuhlukene umuntu oyabe buyile besithi mina ngachesa la 2014 lina la ngcwaba 2008 maybe
Hey, that's even crazy manje. Bengizitshela ukuthi maybe uyabuya ngapha phela lona engabikwazi.
Izitori eziningi ngizizwa ngisenamibia, especially esikhathi se-lockdown. People were saying, dog, because there's people kuthiwa umuntu i-lockdown yenzakala mina for example ngavalelwa ngale. So umuntu ebevalelwe sovakatsha nga.
Oh, okay.
Umthele 2-3 months engabuyi uze umuntu esithi ndoda uzawubuyela uzahamba ulanda umuntu. Uthole ngale bekutshengisa ithuna lakhe.
Yeah, i-shutdown one was cold when I was at work egangeni wange. And I immediately transport was organized for me to leave the bush and come straight to Bulawayo.
Into lenza ngiyibuze last week ukuthi ungathi umile somewhere ubusubona umuntu wafa kudala yenzani? Kangambuzi bani? Anzange ngiyibuze.
Hayi usibuzaka.
Bro. Usay hamba udika lapha.
But asithi jeki ungamboni lokho yana ukuthi ukuthi sithi ho. Like umbone edlule ethenga ama chips spice ama chips. Like it's some regular nigga shit.
That reminds me. This guy we used to I can't say his name because I'm not sure he's alive or he's dead now. We have a death certificate yake. We have a death certificate yake.
Wait a thing.
I don't know what the fuck happened.
Ngikulo muntu ayifilwe lebizo lifane la awethinta abantu lo.
Yeah, ngoba
serious no I didn't death certificate. So I'm telling you. So I don't know. Someone went and declared him dead. I'm telling you.
Umzala
people do scams panjira.
Kuvalela lama accounts
bro. People do scams bro.
Ismoko ngento le bakuvalela ama account ebank landline.
People do scams.
So le mina ngangizwa.
Imagine sizama ukuprove ukuthi yaphila.
Le
sawutela ngesawuthi.
Kulo thomlano weAmerica wise defender ese court kumele bhadalile kuze nini? Child support or something. But I think he had a health scare or what, and then legally, like his heart had stopped beating for like a few seconds. So I said, dog, I died. I legally died. So I think I shouldn't pay these things.
So no, asafuna uphatha was still Speaking of which, can you try and look up that story so that we get the names right? But there's an NBA player,
Anthony Edwards.
Yamithi suche, right? Yabitshela uCherret umntwana lo kangemfuni.
Asowami,
no, yata ifuna ukuba part of impilo yomntwana. Then ifuna uChera abort, uCherwa yala. Then asithi umntwana lo engazalwa dog mina uzazibonela.
Uwedwa phosa.
Vele amfuni istory mina. Then umntwana wasezalwa. Asithi membe esisenzayo. Esicalculate i-child support up to 18 years. Yebimnika 1 million.
No, yami ikoti.
Yathi vele ayifuni ukuthi akhulume la.
Umjida wakhe ikoti DNA yamenza.
Ucherane uphikile kodwa.
DNA yemthunileyo.
Ngafuna abantu abamcela imali.
DNA yemthunileyo ukuthi emenze wabhadala. Because umjida yawo vele wayengasafuni vaccine number for DNA testing.
But yena wayemtshela pregnant bro. Wathi I don't want to be part of life yomntwana.
Point something million onke ka1.
18 years.
But an interesting take I heard when people were commenting on that. They were saying, bro, if you decide to keep the child, and it's your body, your choice. When I decide,
my money, my choice. But that's the unfortunately, the world is unfair in that regard when it comes to that. The world is always unfair on men on that. Unfortunately.
Dave Chappelle, if you can kill the motherfucker, I can at least abandon him.
Yeah. But well, that's what it is, bro. I mean, we him very
blind. When I go to a go to calculate each other about 18 years.
We have phone, you be sticking to your story. Because he has 2 or 3 kids with some other girls.
Yazi problem kuyini vele. Thina futhi incedina sikucabanga yini ethu i-scenario ukuthi thina lapha phela abantu elilala labo lina Buddhas check uBuddhas lo yakhanda ngalala lamachero. Abantu elilala labo lina. Aso type lenti they actually here to gold dig. But this particular person we're talking about, abe NBA, vele it's always
most women are always
diggers.
gold digging.
It's always gold diggers. So I can understand why his stance would be like that because but I mean ngingokabelo nje. Hey man, it's fine. Let me raise. Okay, why let me be in the nigga's life. It is what it is. But for those kind of guys, I know why he would have a stance like that.
Kids are expensive.
But why would do? Okay. Mind you, why would jikele izinto zakho phakathi gqoka
but
ikondom or
manje
something.
Hayi, akho mnandi lokho.
mina iflopeng la yazizo ezenyosi
Osinyoro.
ezenyomscom
Ezenyongolo-
ezenyore Zimbabwe furniture ismoko nje ukuthi boys lena sikhula lapha sile 10 years wesulwa ngumntwana weseleb omunye umuntu afunda la yikho babakhe engafuna ukuba sempilweni yakho what the fuck are you doing to the child bro
Ngwamama akho ithi
ukhula nje uzizodwa ubona i-article nalana because i-internet phela izinto zibaleki ubona i-timer that time maybe time lebese lihuzukile wona manje songoso lolutho
Emergency.
usizodwa i-timer lakho vela lingafuni lutho like
Anguyali lo.
fuck off
ngoba ukhuluma ngela mic la. Ngoba ukhuluma ngela mic la.
Ngithi kuyafaka abi boys nje.
Lokho anguyali, vele boys aba fucked up man. But yawuni problem ukuthi nxa sekufaka just context yokuthi itime lakho langafuni. Ukufaka lo chomla, ubona uchomla no oyayiblue ithathe trend la. Othe ngesikhathi le cash wayechaya kumbe 10 amachere weekend kumbe vele mina bengayisebenzisi condom. Oqeda lapha wathi ulusela 17 abantwana. Wonke with different baby mamas uthi mina ochere ngambalanda bengu 3 inhle nje vele ngiyalifuna lonke angifuni ukuthole ngifuna lingivakathe lonke nizabe sha bonke manje omnye umuntu uze wathi jeke kazi because athe sakasela mali vele he's an absent father usungakhuluma umkwatela uchomo lokuthi uyi-absent father but you must remember ukuthi your mother is also one of those 17 hoes that were just fucking him for his money.
And man, the kids won't look at it. Mama, they won't even think of that of their moms. The kids will see, oh, mama, you know I love you.
You know, there's this
You
funny
know-
concept. Angazi ngiyikhuluma in Google podcast yona le ukuthi as you're growing, especially ngawusase ngumntwana like abazali bakho or not even abazali bakho, umuntu okukhulisayo in your eyes vele
You will never do wrong.
Masangwethu.
gala ma-flop vele
Yeah,
usharp.
it's true.
As you grow, then you start to see labo they're human. They actually fucked up at some point. Such a-
Ingavile yaponda vele.
Hey, it's really like a crazy thing.
Ngeke kuthi time.
Even lo mntana esela ndoda i-last number esela abantwana bakhe bayabe busithi umdala sweet.
And mina lami
La-
uchomo.
labazalwane echechi phela abakiwa against upapa.
Libone emergency uchomo lwanu upastor lwanu we.
Motoso.
Thomani.
Motoso.
Who's been in jail for like 10 years
Aye.
pending ama case akhe ngibotwa rapper half congregation.
Motoso.
Essay.
Gorilla.
Oyeselo.
Uthi ama charges wonke dismissed.
They found him not guilty on a technicality I think.
Akateering.
Lokhu zenini i-NPA lapha athiwa yiyepondileyo Jack.
Prosecution.
Athiwa i-NPA fuck up. Athiwa lama cross examination akhona I have cooked.
I have cooked. Let me read this out, doc. Maybe.
So either prosecutor yaphataliwe.
Probably, don't know.
Ama technicality atuba khona ukuthi doc. Thongo bani chomlo. Right. Nigerian pastor acquitted of rape after 8 years in South African jail. After spending 8 years in jail, a Nigerian televangelist accused of raping young women from his South African church has been found not guilty of all charges. Timothy Omotoso had denied that 32 charges in a trial that was broadcast live and gained huge interest across the country. In 2018, one witness
can
told the court
sue.
she had been raped by the pastor who ran a church in the city of Port Elizabeth when she was 14 years old. When delivering the verdict on Wednesday, the judge presiding over the trial said that Mr. Omotoso had been found not guilty because prosecutors had mishandled the case.
Fuck.
Shit. But I think he did it.
What the fuck do you mean? He did it. He
Fucking
did that
They
shit.
shit.
mishandled the case.
Yeah.
Deliberately or not as was, but
He did that shit.
So like if they mishandled the case and then like someone wants to further pursue,
I don't know if South Africa
what
gives.
happens? Like does it?
I think
take
you
it to
can-
the
you can
Supreme Court?
appeal.
So Zimbabwe, I know Zimbabwe can appeal for what they call
Appeal.
appeal for what they call a private prosecution, where instead of having the state prosecutor, you actually have your own lawyer. That's what that former minister Mbato Nkereke, India, mamse ejere.
I'm sorry, private.
Mamse private prosecution. State the case. When about the private prosecution, you have to apply to the court for them to give you that license to be private. I don't know if South Africa does the same, but I know in Zim you can actually apply for private prosecution.
Into a technicality level is in the doc. You can get away with a lot if you are just lucky enough that you know the
It's just like
prosecution
it's
was.
just
Or
like
you can go to
OJ.
jail for because of technicalities.
It's true.
OJ
Yeah.
phela OJ la wasila ngento zona lezi.
If the club don't
Technicalities.
fit,
zabhayiza iglove
If the glove
lethu
don't
lenziwe
fit-
ngematerial yokuthi lingahlala vele liyashrinka.
If the glove don't fit,
Like
then it
they
didn't do
literally
it.
fucked up.
It was
Kwamela
the
vele
glove.
bamgqokisele glove.
What is a glove, bro? Alikwani. That was it.
But ama-scientists time asekhona ekhuluma ukuthi hayi liyashrinka vele iglove leli.
Vele-
So lingakukwana
Lokela futhi okwakhe.
lihlale
Okwakhe.
ekhabothini 2 weeks liyabe lingasakukwana.
How the hell did you even write a book?
okoje kungcono futhi that's not even actually a technicality lokhana nje ngokuphoma inhlanhla elokuzeni
Yeah, inhlanhla
i-technicality lokhana ukuthi iglove libe likwana lilegazi le-DNA but it just wasn't booked into evidence in the proper procedure and it wasn't even when it was presented in court angithi they do a
Maybe even contaminated of some
just
sort.
those are the fucked up technicalities
ukuthi
Where-
maybe umuntu owafekwa maybe udetective wafekwa dope iglove lidope engela
sebethola
Do you know,
le-DNA
sometimes, do you know any technicality? If they don't read you your Miranda rights in America, you can go.
into yama-Miranda
If they don't
rights, stuff is
if they
just-
don't read you the Miranda rights in America,
Yo man, there's
They
this
won't
one
even-
someone was explaining to me. This guy is a lawyer in Namibia.
I see that.
Awuthi ngayimirinda mdala. Awuthi ngayimirinda.
Wasungwa.
Rasa Mirinda wasungwa.
This guy was saying when your lawyer presents evidence also in court, he must there's a way he has to announce this is now evidence. If he just presents it,
They have to actually before
doesn't
the
count.
court proceedings, they have to tell the other guys that is the evidence. I present.
So those are the crazy technicalities. If your lawyer is just an amateur and they just don't say the right words.
You have to tell your good
Then
guys
you
let's
get
tell evidence. Now evidence is totally satanic court.
So I understand those things are put in place so that there's procedure, and procedure obviously
And
makes,
due diligence though.
Yeah, and yeah,
Can't
you're
you
not going to
very-
go right, but sometimes when it starts getting
That's
in the
why
way
the
of
city law is just.
because when it starts getting in the way of proper justice, I feel like it's crazy. This guy did these rapes. He did this. Also, I'm a Chechena these days now.
Kule ndaba in America they use the jury. Kuna cases where the jury decides and also
Jury of your peers.
and then Chairman, who judge at some point, this is very rare, can overturn. Immediately, kuruma kuna bacheta, I know, mina ngithi so. It can happen. It can happen,
But
then-
bashona bevumelana lazo lezi. And
most of the
sometimes
time
they
better
have to,
because
man.
but if judge feels with the jury they be biased, judge can say because saribonga but pamanisile so the case lem na nchacha so it's fine, all right. I can only imagine if we're the jury in Zimbabwe.
Zimbabwe corruption
Safa.
Zimbabwe corruption le.
Because I know every American citizen has to serve in the jury.
Babe sebeyidingile lapha mfana ijuri bayichanga ama-GDC.
And you know in America you actually have to like you go to court to select your jury. Like each and every side you have to sifuna number lo sifuna lo digital lo
Bali checker.
bari check very lawe you have to choose lo so this change so sikamchoose lo one u judge lo njani
Uzaba lenient or towards
that's how you play it.
But thina
Lokhu
lokhu
ngalovu uyaboshwa kwazi.
Hey bra.
But anyway, mina lokhu ngiyakuza ama-gents, but everyone has made this about illegal system and of course, you know, the legal system it was a bad day for the legal system, especially with justice towards women.
But there's another issue.
Ima, that's not the only thing that's on trial here. It's new age religion. What kind of fucking, and I want to check. You couldn't also kuruma so you have sunganu so trust ngabe Illuminati.
What do you
Ama-church banu nala, ama-church banu
But even Amadala, those guys, those pastors, those poor whatever, they were small boys.
Roman Catholic.
I didn't say a church. My church, my old churches had their own scandal.
Yibi church lama
Okay, I'm old churches have scandals. I'm a scandals.
Ama-Chechen la kuchile la.
All the churches, bro, I'm a scandal.
These days.
Wabona documentary ka-TB Joshua madoda. Hayi, that was some wild shit. Bro.
Guys, we also passion.
Remember lena tu ayihlala ku top floor so mfana ilama servants. Iboys ezincane ndoda ezaziwa ipaving le eye if you shit.
Fuck.
That guy was on
yes,
some
I think you told me
crazy
this
shit,
before.
bro.
I heard about this.
Lamankazana mbo efuna Jay lamankazana siyamsave phezulu khona ngale abanye ngibethwa kwamele bemsave khona bengela mpahla also Jake that guy was doing some wild shit.
Kuyindumba kusithi ithi hallelujah.
Praise the Lord.
Oh yes.
I remember lezana ndoda hayi akula bantu abanje ndoda.
Mina ma-chance mina ma-gents vele into le i-opinion ukuthi angane ngihlale but ama-church these days abantu bazasola ukuthi thina singasayi e-church but ama-church these days ase-crazy into lezo ukuthi even angazi ngizawofenda abantu ngama-church abo but mina ngu-understand ukuthi umfundisi uyabhadalisa ukuthi ubuye uzokhuluma layo ukuthi umfundisi ba-charger for ama-one-on-one. That shit is crazy, bro. That shit bends my mind.
I had this experience. There's a day I was going to collect a PA system from a church, right? I get there, say me uthi collect PA system ngihambe la. Somfundisi said, "Hey, offering yenye le incane, I'm going to take away day of salvation because you're not paying enough." I'm like, "What? Day of salvation? What the? You're selling salvation? Ubani not salvation when?" But then people will believe, bro.
Yeah, people
believe, bro.
Thandana nomnyusisi la. Awezethanda into zama-church njani but azijeka ubonga uthula ngoba bengafuni ukuthi uthi
ufuna i-beans.
Kwaba lama amanzi akhe abamkhulekela wona esithi ufuna uchathekela wona ngahle ngathi fuck you.
Kwamele utayela uthenga imazo.
Me I have issues.
Mazoe Hennessy.
Yeah, wathele kuyini?
Holy.
Ngahamba kwenye church chekani. Ngafika ngangimile so. I was just standing like this. Kodwa ungayenzi njalo disrespecting God. Ngizanje zami ukuthi nxa
aba unodelela uNkulunkulu isandle khwapheni
ngafika ngathi so ngafika ngama so bro udelela uNkulunkulu ngathi so you can't do that ngathi funa se ngafika ngahlala ngafika kulesitulo ngahlala ngafika ngahlala so esitulweni no you're disrespecting God ngaphuma ngahamba
no ungangena ungangena kepesi ke kamele uyikhiphe if
most
abakhe ngiyakuzwisisa
vele ungangena endaweni you bound
kulezi izinto lalela
kulezi izinto ezibona ukuthi
vele mina for me even etiquette ye-church is not on trial respect yonke sayazi sikhulele esintweni mina ngimangala lokuthi kuthiwa ngawule nkinga zakho umkakho ekuchaya endlini ekubhalamba ekuhlanganisa le room divider ngazofuna ukuyakukhuluma lo mfundisi
so $500
ngawungelayo akakulaleli. Is that the world we're living in, dog? No, I don't know what interpretation, and there's so many people kulomuntu wathi our parents can spot a fake friend, but not a fake pastor.
Do you know what most people Baba let's square it so that they're able to buy my uniform our ushering. They'll get into as much debt to make sure Mama buys anything and everything for the church.
Lina linje libukela i-podcast. Asikaze sithi review mali ku-podcast. Kodwa abazali benu babenzana ema-church. I don't know. It just bends my mind, dog. I understand.
Really,
I also feel like maybe the version of Christianity I grew up understanding. You must also give out of a.
But we all grew up. We all grew up from there. Almost everyone. All my churches la maja. We grew up from ama church la one.
Ambona ngadona isefala umnyanga sithi abengaphumi bengakhipha nge-40,000. It's an American pastor. He was trending also. What kuvala umnyanga? Kumele kuchaye 40,000 la.
But I think abantu they are going through a lot empilweni. And because with akula even ama structures are amaningi to deal with mental health and
abafundisi take advantage ababhonke
they take advantage of bana ngitobetse
they I agree with you
abafundisi they bana ngiphinde serious so abafundisi they take advantage of
desperation
okwabantu and then now sebebuya and also ukuthi I have so many cases against organized religion but amaningi ama-church engafika when especially with some of their doctrines kuba le ndlela where kustrike fear and kungaba that fear is needed for manipulation. And the manipulation done
can really
be by power. So abanengi, but it's actually it's people who need help. Either is stress as endlini maybe marriage,
domestic issues, imsebenzi,
finances. Maybe we humble to actually like a therapist. They say zona someone at least okwaziyo but akula kade singadinga therapist yamthola ngapi.
My question is, if you are being sexually abused and you need to talk to a pastor and you don't have that $30 that he needs for the one-on-one, your abuse continues. Is that what they're saying?
Yeah, bro.
Let's say cotton $10.
Well, what?
Vele cotton again. We're coming at you live from Cotton Lounge.
But how do we then what do we say to those people going through this? Like what would be our best advice? Because we're seeing a wrong being done. Clearly we must have a,
guys khethana ama church la kuhle la ikhona nge pressure ikhona ukuthi uthiwa hey dog khethana ama church swi.
I grew up in a Pentecostal church since 91. I've gone to a Pentecostal church my whole life. So I'm not even from a traditional. So lati siyaychai speaking in tongues. Siyaychai what. But these new age boys are crazy, dog.
They're taking it a notch higher.
Umfundisi wami is the other way around. Ngiyodinga mina. Ngavula ifoni yami ngathi mfana mushapu. Uma salube nje say how's things? Do you need to talk? I've never needed to dinga $20 to go talk to my mfundisi about my life. You know?
So maybe teenage age.
Hey, that's because it's the church I grew up in.
That?
Maybe saying judge Abamandu actually, but that just blows my mind, dog.
No, you're not judging. People are doing shitty things out there. That's the truth.
Because that's how that person. Because there's too much to learn. Futo ogunye mina vele mess up ngemember lezi. Like konoke mkhuluma oga TB Joshua. Like umuntu lwana uyaziposition such that ukuthi yena ngoyese ngonkulunkulu yena basically.
I think so. Ngoyese
so lingambona engasayi normal being vele sevelo libulala ingqondo. Anything that he says now you're going to do. Enganyala phane ethi thathani izipuni idessert yana namhlanje. A lot of you niggas are gonna dig in.
Wasn't that pastor in South Africa recently? What under his kind is tanda his kind.
Ukuthi why lapha ni dog style.
Like no good vila machita labacheri between his kind.
Why lapha ni?
Remember when
akuna etholele lezikhala.
Remember when dumula we spray dumula bana.
Labe dum. Labazisutshani.
Like what the fuck?
La na emunya mabele futhi la.
Leni
emunya mabele. Keep cancer.
Ish.
I'm not keeping it. Yo, penile cancer, dog. What it look like?
Yeah, ne?
But yeah.
I mean, very maybe I'm being a little too harsh with this. A man
no, you're not, bro. Kulabantu abasebecatsha ngeChristianity benza ama-cult benza abantu stupid.
Ukubhadala uyabona udoctor all right. Ukubhadala uyabona lawyer all right. But and anyway, asonceku kathi abantu laba, aren't you a servant? You're here to serve the people.
Yeah, bro.
So
even labo even uJesu dog. uJesu wayesithi hamba ongasawoni futhi. Wayengasozethi ya sengubonisile asambe sibayeni sakho uyenika amakhamela akho wonke.
Ndizana wena Lazaro wena.
Wena Lazaro sekuvusile.
Usufile wena.
uJesu wathi yehle zakhe namhlanje akudle endlini yakho. What was it?
Kuphela dog like even labo Paul benje ama-apostles afterwards.
Do you know what
there's no record of them being paid for anything.
Do you know what I'm willing
and
to do?
And they were doing actual miracles, not even this fly-by-night shit.
I'm actually willing to hear out one of these people maybe who go to these churches and we can kind of hear the rationale behind paying to have a chat with your pastor.
Yeah, if you want to come and defend your church, sit nuts.
I'll send a video.
Especially abakabushiri lo magaya ngiyekunika imali
ungabuya mama cheche bulawayo la. I just want to hear the rationale.
Mina ngifuna ukuzwa bakabushiri lo magaya because nje umagaya nje
unotogane ukuthi
la indoda gaya la uyabona nje tu
nguye PhD.
Nguye.
That shit is bananas.
Nje kulabantu vele asikule member mina. Let's open a podcast. But kule member mina ngiyaziyo efaka umagaya wayi profile picture. After all this shit sathi magaya.
uJesu yena sekamfaka. Sekamfaka uJesu.
Kule picture
yakhe. Yikubona khona nje.
uJesu akazimfaki.
Ekazifaka uJesu but ifaka umagaya.
Upapa.
Chimbo gaya sha. No man. No.
Amadoda lizathi maybe thina sesi.
Yabona vele kuhle koqale from ama-calendar, from like let's sticker emoteni lani everything. Magaya.
You know the Bible eating. My people perish because of lack of knowledge. And that's what happened. That's actually happened. Because if you're a person and you lack discernment, the spirit of discernment, if you lack the spirit of discernment to actually say, no, this is of God and this is not of God, you're bound to be led astray. You're bound to be led astray.
But I call Holy Spirit of discernment. That's why even the Bible talks about it.
Abantu bale knowledge sibili enyawonke kodwa umuntu lo knowledge ulayi but umbono ukuthi
desperation is
the fear of God is the beginning of understanding and knowledge.
I can bet you $1,000 kulo muntu maybe lama PhD i3 ayeqiniso olandela a PhD.
Yakwazi remember lezi
Funa izongela O level.
Kule last number ye lawyer ndoda eliyi-senior partner umuntu ofundileyo
PhD ministries.
Defend umuntu engela O level. Why fake O level? Why fake PhD?
Now, do you know what I think? What my assumption is?
Yeah.
I think lazima Malaysiana zihuka ngokuchama individual miracles because maybe we cannot deny ukuthi kule nye power abasotha ngayo. So obviously ukubona uRalph lokuzahlupha lokho sokuhlakaniphe kakhulu lokho. Befike ukusolve lenye into yakho jeke kade ungayitshelanga umuntu. So I mean I won't deny that some of these guys might have whatever spiritual ability to see people's problems and not what, and then they take that and use
it to advantage.
But uyazi usungaba imembe njengamabuhleze echurch sobona efike mbambe ethi wena mfana wena kwasiqolo lakho leqasa kuba buhlungu ku form 4 ngiyakwazi ngithi yabo. Then maybe that's what keeps me there now, as long as he can identify a personal issue that I feel like, man, he's gotta be connected to some kind of higher power too. Then I justify everything he does.
I don't know. The times I go to church, whenever I decide to go to church, I don't go in during praise and worship. I wait for praise and worship to finish. After that, I go in and hear mfundise chumayela. Wali Bible angabona mfundise chumayela into ezingekho eBhayibhelini yasuma yahamba. Listen. We are there for the Bible. You cannot preach to me and not quote the Bible and not get that verse. You cannot preach to me and not quote the Bible.
Well, what if maybe it's like a
you cannot preach to me and not quote the Bible.
Some of the sermons are practical.
Be practical, but take me back to the Bible.
A verse from the Bible. But in Hela, I interpretation. Yeah, we will have my PhD account 3. We will keep any verses so
I'm saying if you do not take from the Bible, whatever you're preaching, if the foundation is not from the Bible, I'm out.
Omunye kungathiwa sihlanganisa imali yotshwala uyayikhipha kodwa ninikele church
khonapho manje churches imali ye churches nema conditions ani nxa unikele church kulema conditions nxa umakhelwane wakho umbone edubeka uyakumnceda, don't give that money ye church.
Le ngeke beyichumayele le mafoti ngababhrokisa le
mafoti la
iyabafisa ngamaltheza le.
Like if in your heart lento kuhluphayo, something in your heart, you can't give. Yawazani lema conditions
mina zingase conventa
njani church kulema conditions
zingase conventa njani kunikele church ngaqasa uBritish nje vele church abayifuni imali ezinje 100% profit baby. My company's been on the up and up since we started.
Abadla imali yama-beach.
Hayi imali enje awunike ngayo church.
Why? Anti business.
Hey, imali yama-beach. Asifuni imali yama-beach.
Hamba inikela ngebufebe, alright. Hamba inikela ngebusela.
Ijob.
Banikela ngebusela, but that's a topic for another day.
So anyway,
so guys, before when I was coming here, I got a newspaper article that I just saw when I was coming here. Zimbabwe Cricket is told the guys have been shut down to look for another venue.
Damn.
And you know how it started, right?
Cold hard, yeah.
You know, for someone on the mayor who has failed in his tenure to create other places where these events can happen, he's the first one who goes and says,
problem. Laba was teaching the Anas to queue.
No, but what I'm saying. No. But city council owns amphitheater. Why can't they close it up? Right? Because here's the thing. Here's the thing. So here we are. The city, the guys who are supposed to be creating these places where these events are supposed to be, they are not.
But I shut down plan.
Right? So ZC ended up saying we will not be having events. That's what they're saying. It seems they will not be having any events other than cricket. I support it, but I'm saying the person who went and made noise about it is a person who is supposed to be creating. ZRTF is an arena for that. I'm asking. Yes. I am solving.
Very in even our list of priorities. Ukuzamkwenzela abantu ipower is down there. Page 17 dog. There's no way we can be putting that man on
There's
blast.
never a day, Kabelo. There's never a day where you're not going to have a problem with Poto. You're never going to have problems with Mans. These are problems that are always going to be there. That doesn't mean you cannot tell because engine yako akula kudla ngeke wathenga itrina phono kuvala isikhala lapha.
Ukuthi TV yasala yini?
Tell me that awula chukela can switch on your TV. That's bullshit. That's bullshit. That's bullshit. We are looking right now. He's busy talking about it. BF right now, I know he's got budget approval. What? You knew this. You knew it before you became a mayor. You're gonna have problems from the government. Why are you coming and complaining about it?
I spend my solutions. So
City council should open amphitheater.
Event lokuzen why benga chai collaboration ingwebu igcwele phela lo ngama
space.
Remember those spaces. Remember those spaces la alama laws. They are within these residents. Alama laws law.
Zikhona indawo ngale phambi kwengwebu lana thakweni indawo lana Kevin ngaloko sokuyithakweni indawo lana owekwenza khona abanye piano fest. Nxa uhamba ngo-New Kami Road lapha.
Elokuzeni But mina guys i-problem yami Chris Brown wayechaya ishibilika lapha e-FNB Stadium next week okule Orlando Pirates le Chiefs.
I-FNB Stadium phela lana bhuti.
That match is like how many weeks away from
It doesn't matter, dog. Do you know what? It's not like he said Abantu should not have recreation. He just said we can't do recreation at these places.
Alternatives.
No.
That's alternatives.
So Elia Kilama Stadium,
that's city council.
No.
That's city council.
Umafoto kokuyakha lokho ngabe kufa-fetched. Mina ngutshoyo ukuthi in normal countries i-stadiums ebhora zingama multi-purpose. Yikho ngutshela khona ukuthi namuhla kebe kule Coachella la.
Which is fine.
Even the Super Bowl have time.
In normal countries.
Akaboni plan. Akwenze li shutdown bavuke belungisa iground lana ikhetla yenza. Kungabi into eziclashayo.
I just read statements.
But the pitch, the most important pitch is never damaged at any given point anyway. The pitch there and they have five boundaries. Yeah.
Actually, in normal countries they use stadiums for
even in this country.
So okay, asimen khona.
Passion Java wazange wenze national sports.
Vele maningi isiwenzileyo lapha nakade ukhala ngani.
So why now? What's different? Why is it ungenze ZRTF umlungisi wenyu yakhala? Sirise Queens umlungisi wenyu yakhala.
Liyamcina lokho podcast lo. Into yakhe lo uzosola umlungisi la ngithi.
Ayi Jake, you can't complain about everywhere. Bengahambe ZRTF yakcomplaina. Sirise Queens yakcomplaina ufuna beyenzeni. Kalungise phela umlungisi. Indawo zakhona phela.
So nxa usithi ilungise ngithutele yakhe lamabhaka.
That's their job. So it's part of their job to create recreational facilities. It's part of their mandate as a city council.
Let's move on. Ngoba mafoto uyachinga la uthi.
Anchingi yakhuluma mina.
Uthi why ikhiwa leli lingafuna ukusinika amabhaka sedakwa thina. Sichaya imota zethu emagodini lawa
sidabula ama. They can't even renovate BF. BF was easier to get international matches coming to BF than national sports. Because our national sports got the first one to have it. In yet BF had the easiest things. BF had less than 5 things to do. No, mina ngicabanga ukuthi umlungisi wenyu lo akalungisi. Akalungisi. That's bullshit, man. What's next on Kurumani Kanya to move on to something?
Question of the day. Angobona vele ukhuluma irap, ukhuluma idoti, namntu chaya idaria. Chaya question of the day.
Siyantu begide. Anu laba kwaze makhiwa balento zabazenza
amakhatsha. But ningutsho ukuthi ukubhana ama event is not a solution. Find a way. ZC
said they will not be having events.
Right,
ZC actually said very Jama Castons the Queens will not be having events.
All right, guys. Question of the day.
Push it.
Are they? We are
question
of the day.
When I have a question of the day, I will choose to
but about
finding
rephrase le group in because but what I'm saying is these guys need to find a way to fix the ground after the event. I feel like that's the easiest fix for everyone.
Ingabi question yakho lena. Ubhale ngapha ubumbhalele ku private.
I don't know, bro, but I put it somewhere there. Pause.
Mana ngithi Ralph. Ngizwa abantu abadala bezochingela ibhawa bengena umsebenzi.
Siyaluke boss ame machechi na njani njani.
Dokho ubutype ngapi kathi?
Singekule
check
boss
egroupini,
amachechi nana njani
Check
njani.
egroupini.
I'm checking, but it's not. Anyway,
Singekule boss amachechi lana ungafuniyo.
the question pretty much was: are there sexual positions? Oh my God, what am I looking for?
Yeah, that should be that.
Are there sexual positions that maybe should be off limits if you are a couple that respects,
No, take out the word respect.
loves each other?
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
What's the question?
Are there sexual acts / positions that should be off the table if you are a couple that loves each other?
Nxa sesilethe eduze uCherry othi wena lo uzamlobola kulama position ongaza kumnike wona yini. Lani bosisi. Nxa ubona ingani ichomi le ichomi ufuna ukuhlala layo for the rest of your life.
Uthini?
Kulezinye izinto ongaza uyenze kiyo, something like that, yeah. Because I was trying to.
Yeah, are there sex positions that are out of bounds for people in love?
There's no such thing as a sex position that are off bounds unless when ule physical something that does not allow you to do the position.
So no mama endlini uyashaya 69.
It has to happen. Spice up your life. You man spice up your life. You can't be doing missionary every day.
When you put us?
Yeah, Lama, I feel like it's actually maybe the other way around. Maybe laba bangahloniphaniyo bongamelanga maybe benza bo missionary. Otherwise abahloniphanayo bayenza yonke package.
Missionary is too intimate.
So linelijonjana yini maybe sengathi missionary is out of bounds, but laba bathandanayo abathandanayo singaflathelisa. Hey Mandlovu dopa lapha ingani udopha isicathulo phansi kombhedla.
Ita unononga.
So uthi masiganga actually kumele kuthi
yini kumele libe lama limits. Anti libizani baby nxa lisenza into zenu zokuganga ngapha. Kwapho umuntu Jake, are you around next week? I want to see you in court.
Kani ganga libizani baby libizana amamizo government.
Yeah, kayingani it seems. So lena baganga I think maybe lama rules.
Why would you call umuntu baby ngeliganga? Guys. Bize ngebizo
kule tamalipho uthangi kulipho
othi amalipho
ya ugogo uDunosile okhule yahloma
enzeni Kubani ukuthini ukuthini
yaza sengikhohle
ukuthini
ukuthi amalipho ukuthi ngulipho ugogo
laba zeli camera bajeta
okhule yahloma
Kati wena ungafuna ukudla kuhle phandle endlini uzilidoti njani.
So wena uthini mana ukudla kuhle ikwenzani izitayila zonke.
Izitayila zonke endlini.
Then iphandle supho ngokuthi
yalimita phandle
okuyi-snack.
Yebo.
So guys, I feel like into lena uthi hey, if you really love a girl you never bend her over. Dog, that's a fallacy, bro. That's cap.
Fallacy.
Yeah, dog, that's shit.
bend over.
Mina bangani bami.
Speech what?
Speech cook.
Speech cook.
Namhla ngidouble team le boys nga.
No worries. I'm
solo.
good, don't worry.
Machens? All right, chai order. Once again. Sikhohle ukuthi ladies and gentlemen, this is episode what? 166 maybe.
68.
168.
60. It should be 68.
Another great episode of the BYO podcast. And shit coming to you live from the Cotton Lounge. This weekend we're probably going to be having a Maza also here. And lingayekela ukubuya Cotton Lounge lizo
What's
Otibeka.
the weekend?
This is Dagobe just thing event.
All right.
But kule say birthday say by the time this episode comes out anyway ngebuso lokuze birthday celebration ngabakani. So
yeah, shout out to Bakani. Happy birthday to the OG.
Shout out to Bakani, happy birthday, Labo dog. But anyway, it's gonna be belated by the time this comes out. Imagine
he's probably gonna see this LA hangover because that guy.
No, mfakela bani o time
Yeah.
Mina umbono wenu lo ukuthi kuthiwa endlini sungayenza ukufuna what. Mina give me ule appendix. And I think appendix yakhona iya ngokuthi I sexual appetite yakho.
Okay.
Man, yeah, I think uRalph usothele. uRalph usothele mina la. Umbuzo lo answer yawo kuya nge-sexual appetite yakho machens.
Really?
Yeah, because Yeah, for you, let's say for you, what's really crazy? What's crazy sex for you? What's like?
Why are you putting me on the spot? The fuck you putting me on the spot?
What are you asking?
Ngithi into eneleyo ukuthi uthiwa endlini umuntu uyayenza izitayela zonke kodwa phandle engenzi izitayela zonke. I think it depends on sexual appetite yakho. Because for amanye amajita maybe a crazy thing idog ephasejini kuphela. That's you going, don't have baby, you went crazy. So into ezinjalo alright sisungazenza endlini.
Upuro wami wathi umuntu udliwa everyone. Leya zonke izitayela. Nxa ephika lapho ephika umuntu gqongo. Ethi awasho umuntu gqongo.
Into ezigcina sidithela amapipi ngamatiye bomafoti. Hi.
Literally driver lapha uno driver diphephi. Mina singesipake lapha sithi.
Uthi ama drugs lapha. Olabeli khombane kuthagi.
Anytime should be any place, there's no second place.
Ngubuzile phela pendula mafoti.
Bro, anything. Why are we putting me on the spot?
Man, please, when I just built your point.
No, my point is, some of this depends on how crazy is like. I just tell what's sexual.
I'm 50 shades. 50 shades of grey. 50 shades of grey. That's why I play around.
Pause.
No, I'm not pausing that shit. Ngithe into leyo ukuthi I just say, are there any sexual acts / positions? I know people just focus on positions, but in the acts, are there any sexual acts that are off limit with umuntu level thandana la? But what if you're the kind of guy who really wants to do some really freaky shit? Some really freaky shit.
Before umuntu ofuna khona lokho. Because you going to do it phandle makes it a mess.
Yabona iproblem ukuthi nina liyakhohlwa ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi sexual appetite evolve over time. Uyaqala uright check. Uyakhohlwa ukuthi kuyabuya midlife crisis. Have you never seen how horny women in their mid-30s are? They were never like that in their 20s. But you get to a certain stage, you've been with this person for 4 or 5 years. Things have changed. So the styling, la usukwenye section yepono, la usufuna uzama one day picking. Uzayizama no mama endlini picking.
Why not?
Uyazi picking.
Why not?
Uyazi picking.
Why not?
Uzayenza no mama endlini.
Why not?
Akupenga yo.
So nifuna uyenza ngani?
Ukwenza lo man.
Yiko mina ngithe.
Kumele yenze nanto. Kula into njalo. Mina yenze.
Udubo lomunye umuntu
vele. Vele ngisapota nalo Brace.
Anjawo.
Ezinye
izinto. Nanibuke sihule. Kanti anje nibuke sihule.
Wena vele ule record yokuthi usupporta ubufebe vele. So we're already there.
Mini point yami. Point yami akaqeda kuyibuild.
Yeah.
If you are someone who is of macabre sexual taste, then you can do everything you want with your wife at home, because the wildest thing you'll do is probably car sex, which is okay. Yeah, that's a good time. But if you're one of those niggas who really wants to try a threesome, a sex marathon, look at how it's ending. Uzazidinge nokuthi 20-year-old wakho okubhadalele rent.
Why ungayenzi into zonezo ungaka settle down then?
Umuntu wakho nalo.
Usu settle down. Iko ngiliphendulile ngathi i-sexual appetite iyachinja. Uyazibona 10 years later la usu
so ufuna threesome usuthathe usukhona ufuna threesome.
Usesipani uqoqotha idesk so. Well, uzubona ukuthi uzomene mboni plan.
So mina secretary.
Mina mvumelana lani. Mina endlini ngenza into ezilenhlonipho. Into yabo lenza konke yana ukuthi hayi lo mama anyali you will spice up endlini, but you won't go overboard, dog.
Why not?
Alright, so for people who don't go overboard, just do everything endlini. Then we reserve about PDD.
There we go.
But I think that shit values for people with money. Uyabahamba usedinga abantu bokupheka ngapha unungela sento kathi in drive.
Vele uyabupheka ngani nge-Ever Sharp 15M. Ever Sharp 15M.
Inonyora zvakanaka.
Peg the right way.
Inonyoba zvakanaka.
Inonyora zvakanaka.
Nyoba. So, if you're one of those guys who want to do like group sex, you know, I'm not group sex. When some people want to experience that.
But
you can't do that with your wife.
You can have that before you settle down. I think when you settle down,
settle down.
Why you wanna? You make it go away.
Pray for it.
You pray for it. Aba upapa ukutanaza rumakanga PhD.
Ungene 20 mari.
Ungene PhD of abstaining.
Ungene 20 mari. So lina lithi yonke into sengilibuza lina personally hlezi la. Sele ngathi yes or no. All of your quote unquote crazy sexual fantasies or whatever positions, you did them with the person you were serious with.
Yeah.
Yes or no?
I did everything with everyone. I
Ubaba lo wanyoba inketha yonke lo.
I said, bro, why not? It's there. Let it be done.
All right. Ngapho lithini?
Can't believe my mom should make sure.
I said yeah, bro.
Okay. Wena uthini ngapho put us?
No.
All right, wena uthini?
Alumele ukufeva sithethe.
Fuck yeah.
But boys, mina into engisho umuntu nxa lithandana kulokuba le companionship leyani ukuthi you niggas will talk about anything. Unless ngakuyi into leyani ukuthi wathi ukhuluma la sithi hey mfanami ngifuna ukushaya ungengikubophele kusilinga washo wathi hayi mina into zokuhlala then ebusuku wasithi hayi ngumuntu oreserve but nxa ngathi uxoxa la kompana ngamafana
uhluyalane la
ngixoxa ngamafantasy yena ethi yeah let's take it there then take it there with
so sivumela nami ukuthi kuya sexual appetite yenu simple.
Yeah.
Okay.
But
anyway,
what I'm saying is, if now you have to talk about everything before you settle down, so that you was now when you go umuntu lo engavuka uhluyalane la udinga ufuna ukubotshwa.
But what if ule mali uyasebenza uyakhonza singamyalela ukuthi kafuna ukuthi ngimbophele ku cupboard. Ngithi oh stepsis are you stuck there? Yabo ngimyelele khona yabo
omyelele ukuthi ngafuna ukublockisa isink
indawo le vele sisiya endaweni ye last week
abo utshintshe light bulb
at some point ukufeva kuzaba inevitable emjoleni wakho ngaze usettle down ube serious
hayi
uba uzafuna ukwenza ezinye izikili nje angasoze futhi uzenza lo mama endlini. So sometimes, listen to me.
Can
I finish my point?
Yeah.
This is where I've been building up to all along. Sometimes in the favor ngoba uyakuhlonipha.
Exactly.
That's bullshit.
Exactly.
That's bullshit.
Exactly.
I'm telling you. My man, sometimes you respect your woman too much.
Yeah.
To try to do this shit with her. Then you just look for some whore. Oh, ntwana kwepholi. And you get to working, dog. It is what it is. But umama endlini asoze kuzwisise ngaso mekme ngokuthi baby. As into ndifuna ukuyenza umuntu arathi ngaso ngikwenze.
I got
ngiyabonga ibizo lami Kabelo Matiwaza. Follow me for more.
Imagine umama umntwana wakho ofuna ukumenza ubusumthola yenza omunye umuntu. Same thing.
Yantu yabo ngcono uzenzele nje. Because la uzabebuka so wena uthi ama-fantasy akho uyabe wayenzela nga-right wena nxa ufika uncisha ufika utshaya i-missionary then uhambe kumahoza akho lebo phela nemakhaboti
yabona le selikhuluma bafana le ngenye i-fucked up scenario le vele sesikhuluma i-suicide sesikwenye igame lapha sakhulumela ngomshado la
but that's what I was saying ukuthi
uthi ungena endlini uthole kulama-handcuffs fana le last number ye-loop
mfana I can only imagine what would go through my head. Mina ngiyakuhlonipha lapha
yakutshela ukuthi benguhlonipha bengafuthi ngiwenze ungezithenje so yakutshela same thing nami ngiyakuhlonipha
vele bengafuna ukudunusela ubaba wendlini sorry you see
uzothi yasangilahlisa inhlonipho la ekhaya hayi so wait flop
Really, bro. So do everything in the house.
So right.
Maybe because sebesuyadunusela papa.
Yabo. All right. So asihlangane nesent sesivumelana both parties consent. So sometimes abantu bayafavor because bayahlonipha.
Yeah.
Hayi.
Khathi kawo.
Hayi.
Antu mina ngicela ngathi layala lathi but lo mama singakwenza la mse
we are giving you a scenario that's opposite yours.
So
how would you feel though?
Ngiyavu hayi. How I feel is outside of the question. Yeah, no, she did it because she respects me. Lami, I'm doing it because I respect her.
No.
Yeah,
that's bullshit.
Yeah,
that's bullshit.
Abantwana balele lapha. Abantwana balele lapha.
Abahambe wogogo lokulu for holiday.
Wesofu endlini futhi nce.
Ngakungakabi labantwana.
Abahambe wogogo logogo for holiday.
Lalela. Level futhi uchaya i-vibrator. I-vibrator yadonsa amagetsi phela mfana.
I-vibrator
istop uthi vele siyawuyisa endlini.
Uthi
usitshalo mama endlini lesana uthi sebenza ama-handle bars. Ufuna umthetho namhla manje ugrade amasana. Lalela. Yabo. So keep abantwana endlini.
My argument would be if you wanna whatever sexual fantasies or pleasures you want to have, mawulo mama endlini yenza la. khuluma la
unless and until azathi yena hayi ndoda lokhu
hambe
khuluma
udinga
lokhu
phandle
mina lokhu hayi
ungamuza ukuthi hamba kwenza amahula akho phandle singahambe ukwenza amahula akho phandle kathi ungela usuku
but ngongamphanga ichance yokuthi akutshele la maybe la uyakufuna
maybe la yakufuna ebemele
maybe
ukuthi
ufuna ufake indololwane phakathi kwe-essay
ubemele ukuthi ubaba endle iqala indaba
ukuthi one day
maybe ufuna ufake indololwane ke
the moment ungahlonipha umama endlini ngiyakutshela kusasa usiye esipani uvuke sithi usamfana uthi 1-2 sediniwe yinto ezayenzakala energy yonke uyiqeda phandle
so la futhini uthi
kwelambisa umfazi ngokuzama ukumhlonipha khona just do what you gotta do my man endlini
all right hayi asengiphikisane la sengizwile bangani wami
so hambe ethenga ama-chains
Antona futhi antona lokho sithi mina futhi ngibona lokho elikhuluma into ezinje nge-sexual appetite limited ngithi nxa ngifuna ukwenza i-threesome ke ngimtshele belo mngane wakho eburial leyona ukuthi laba into lezo
threesome you have to make sure the third person should be someone both of you don't know if you want things to work out
lokho vele lihlenye kwenza le kodwa ngifuna ukuthi mama what if it's a phase esisihleba ngazi ukuthi lo phela ngo96 wakwahlanyiswa ama-threesome how mama you know what I'm saying
yeah
but do you have threesomes before you get married do you have threesomes have you wacabanga ngathi soyenze kade
sadly for me umnqantsho awusebenzi ngesikhathi sakhe umnqantsho ungadecide 10 years from now ukuthi usufikile
omunye wathi shake that as ngavela ngathi iphuma la kwami
what do you pass it open date
wathi ngavela ngathi iphuma la kwami
ungihloniphe right one last one yeah. So now what happens in a scenario where the girl has more sexual appetite than the guy?
That's always weird because niggas are like equal like creatures. So vele ungaqalisa ukufeel ngani uthiwa sebeku overpower or ingani yena usekwazi ngcono kulawe. The easiest way to stroke his ego be saying libule ukwazelanga
it's true
then when you just climb a moral high horse just because you can keep up. That's how guys are.
Mina ikho lapha ku podcast every now and then if you go back maybe 20-30 episodes every now and then ngihlala ngilama clips emphonsi mina vele ngiyistabana ngenza ukuthi ngizakucompile lokho na one day umuntu ungasengehlulile ngithi I was always gay bro I didn't like this shit
amajita vela avuma ukuthi sedliwe buya lokunye kuyinto kodwa
and indoda ababeza kwedlula and me I'll say this because women really get into gear 6 in their mid 30s. This shit is crazy dog what's this ngase badala lapha
so
so they say
lina lifuna ukusekla down
base befuna open 10
hlala lithenga iCongo das wesibone lethwa sokuyi50 past ukuthola ivisa eCongo so igenge yamaCongo dust
isazodula iCongo dust
but you know what it's said that in one of in my land
abeCongo ayisibe sabancedisa ukuthola ilizwe laba sebefuna ukusibhadalisa
for into epipi
yes
you know it's in that other line of work of mine. It's said that you get to meet wapana bancane bro like boys in their 20s buying Viagra bro.
Look I was for prove your point or something.
Then omunye bro uthi say addicted very it's like for him it's like very so blind so cheat very. Ngangelayo very so blind.
I love it. Mina akazi.
And this was less than 30 bro.
I'm going to say something.
Velo ukufundiswa mbani khona. Ufundiswa mbani uzokumisa amabibi.
Abo dope badale no uyabo labo obhudasa abagangile bakufaka edirini. Mina I'm going to say something very very personal on this podcast.
Yeah.
Which I've never done before but because of a medical condition I cannot take any drugs as
enhance performance.
Yeah, fucked up looking for me. Even outside or for even into creating.
Yeah. You can't take.
It's a bit fucked up for my system. I could never take steroids, stuff like that. So, mina mshangi 100% natural organic dick. Nkokumakaya dick.
That's usungumbeza joke. I went to a party nkokenje chicken. Ngachasa nomunye konje ngakanda. One we hit it up, sapuma. it's safe to say we now know the chicken came first.
That's dope.
Yeah, that was crazy.
That's dope. But I like into ze dust. What's this?
Congo dust.
They get into some.
But you know, but it's because of my expectations. People, the way they're talking about sex now. Hey, mina mfuna chito shot 3 rounds. Mfuna kulata lord. Hey, like all these expectations. People are throwing. No, I'm talking about expectations.
What's defend baba?
Hey, so people are talking about my expectations. People are saying, hey, mfuna logan. So these boys end up just jumping into and getting those Viagra stuff.
Yeah, but you come on to Besifa. You get into your cousin and 5 rounds.
Labo badinga iCongo dust akule anything equivalent. Congo dust uzumuntu ethi namuhla ngifuna ukuyidinga iCongo dust.
But osisa naturally vele.
Ikoni lokuzeni yebo sisi.
Asvaleli podcast. It was nice.
No, wait.
It was nice.
So, wait. I tell them to that different. Just keep it up. Guys, there's a competition. There's a competition, guys. There's a competition for those who are good in designing. Zifa has come up with a competition to design our kit our national team. For people who can design our kit our national team for AFCON. So if you are a designer, just go on the Zifa page. You see the details there. Who knows? You could be the next person to design. Kit might be won in Morocco, right? Might be won in Morocco. And you get to win in Mali, plus you also go and watch AFCON.
Okay. Shout out.
So yeah.
When is AFCON?
It's in December in Morocco.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
cool.
yeah.
Sikesibukela umbebe makumamusha.
Umbebe bazamenzani? Asazi.
Did you go to the Scotland match? An Islanders match?
No.
I
heard it was a draw.
Yeah,
it was a draw. It seems Poso played though. They outclassed.
They were leading throughout.
Yeah, they outclassed the team.
They were leading throughout. Then the last minute and stuff like that.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. This has been another great episode of the BYO podcast in Ngxoxo 99. Shout out to
shout out to Fanuel Ngoma. Fanuel Ngoma.
I actually thought he was going to be here today.
Yeah, he said he's going to be. I'm also surprised he didn't come.
Shout out to Fanuel.
Bro.
Grandpa
podcast.
Solid guy. I bumped into him. And then you also bumped into him between...
No, he bumped into me.
Nah, my fault. Just put your fucking ego aside.
You know what happened?
He bump and cry.
Listen, I don't know the guy, right? Yeah. I'm walking, I'm eating Mafoti. There's like Mafoti, and I go, I say, Mafoti, what I like you guys know, I'm like, podcast. I want to praise you. What are they? You guys are. Then he actually says to the people, Ali Maslow, how can you not know him? I'm coming from UK, Yamazi. You took pictures. Amazing guy. Thank you for watching. Cool. Thank you guys for watching a podcast here too. I was.